In this video, we will see Puratasi month significance, fasting and its story. Puratasi month is one of the auspicious Tamil month, usually begins in September as per English calendar. It is the sixth month in the Tamil calendar and it is dedicated to Lord Vishnu. It is believed that Lord Vishnu appeared on the earth in this month. Devotees consider this month as an ideal month for thanking Lord Vishnu for preserving the world at the end of Kali Yuga. Devotees gather at Lord Vishnu temples and do special prayers. Tirupati temple is considered to be the most important among all temples. Now we will see the Puratasi fasting procedures. Some devotees observe partial fasting on all days of this month and others limit fasting on Puratasi Saturdays. A few people observe Nirjala Viradam, which is nothing but fasting without even drinking a water. Some devotees only eat vegetarian and they quit smoking and alcohol. We will know now how devotees worship Lord Vishnu. Songs and mantras are chanted to Lord Vishnu and Mavilakku is offered to God who cannot go to temples. Namam, 2 feet symbol of Lord Vishnu's feet, is drawn on the devotee's forehead. What are all the other festivals celebrated during this month? Lord Sunny loses his powers and Navagrahas are worshipped during this month. Other festivals celebrated are Mahalaya Bhaksha, Navaratri, Saraswati Puja and Vijayadasami. They usually celebrate for 9 days in South India. Durga Puja also celebrated in Bengal during this month. Now we will hear the story of Puratasi month. Once there was a man lived called Bhiman. He is a potter by profession. He was a sincere devotee of Lord Vishnu. He has taken a penance to observe fasting on all Saturdays. As he was engaged in his duties, he cannot go to temple. Even if he goes to temple, he doesn't know how to do prayer. He usually says as, God, you are everything. Bhiman decided to make a clay statue of Lord Vishnu as he doesn't have time to visit temple. He also made small flowers out of clay and decorated the statue with garland of clay flowers. The king of Bhiman's place, Tondaiman, was also a sincere Vishnu devotee. King used to decorate the Lord Vishnu deity in temple with gold chains on Saturdays. He did it for 1 week and on the next week he found garland made out of clay in the temple. King was suspicious on the Archakas who do temple activities. However, Lord appeared in his dream and told about Bhiman. King Tondaiman went to Bhiman's house and offered him money, but Bhiman was not impressed and he was attached to Lord Vishnu. As per Lord's order, Naivedyam in Tirupati is offered in clay vessels and plate in honor of the devotee Bhiman. Lord Vishnu revealed himself on the day of Thiruvonam Nakshatram in the month of Puratasi. After this, it has developed into a tradition for generations to pray Lord Vishnu in Tirupati on Puratasi Saturdays. Due to this reason, sincere devotee observe fasting on Puratasi Saturdays. Chant mantra Govinda, Govinda, Govinda.